Good morning or evening, wherever you are. So Kyle's on his way over here, and you know, we have some side projects that happen and everything, and I think we're gonna go try to pick up another one, which we don't need at all, but I think it's gonna be a good deal. So we got the old Avalanche with the trailer hooked up. I guess it's gonna be good. Oh, let's see. Still got this beast. If you need any parts, let me know. I've been selling some on eBay, but you know, hit and miss. Let's go see if we can get another project car. All right, so it didn't run when we first got it, which Kyle and I have had it for about 30 seconds. Woo! Ta-da! Kyle, what day is it?
Friday.
Moving day! Making progress. So I think we left you with, this is Kyle's new toy, and that's where we kind of left it. Well, what I forgot to mention was that it had transmission issues. So we went ahead, let me scoot under here, and pulled the transmission. So that was fun. And let's go over here now. So we moved the 68, which I'm doing stuff, I'll show you that in a second. And this is my old transmission, which just so happens to have good guts and was remanufactured. So guess what we're gonna do with that stuff? We're gonna put it in this one that has a good case. Oh, and if anybody knows what this stuff is, just let us know, because we're not sure, but it was in there, so we don't think it's supposed to be in there, so yeah. So that's why we're doing that. There's some other stuff that was wrong with it. There was some spinny bits that did some stuff, and I don't know. Oh yeah, that stuff's all scored up. There's stuff down there. It's kind of a hot mess. So once we get everything switched out, which Kyle's working on, this should be good to go into that, and then that goes back into that. And then we have a good running Roadster 600, what is it, 600 SL. So more to come on this guy. It does run. We had to fix a fuel hose, a bit of Guernsey. All right, so Kyle got done ripping apart the transmission. This is the result, which is his case, my transmission innards that he bought for me for a case of beer. And then, so this is what we pulled out of it. Well, Kyle pulled out of it. So that's, I don't know what that is. Those are springs and stuff, and they went in there. Kyle knows where they went.
They went into the left.
They went into the left. So then that's the old case. If you've been part of the channel, you know that this bell housing has been cut off for the other motor that's going in the 68. So Kyle and Car Ramrod got this here transmission put together tonight. So I think that classifies them both as Mercedes-Benz techs.
You didn't say it.
Oh, I forgot.
I wrote it on the paper.
Oh, yeah.
They both drink their beverage of choice tonight. So that will conclude for Kyle's build on this one, once we get it all the way back and in here in the next couple days. And then we'll see if it moves. If it moves, then maybe we'll do some big smoky burnouts. All right, we got her all buttoned up. Gonna move her off the lift. Let's see if she, whoa! On her own power. Not bad.
Oh no, that's better.
Yeah, I had to fill up. It probably had to fill it up. There she goes. Don't mind that. That's washer fluid. On her own power. We'll do smoky burnouts tomorrow, maybe.